Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to send your PayPal link. So the first thing I want you to do is just log into your PayPal account. And then what I need you to do is come here and actually click on request. Now from here, you'll be redirected to this page. And what I need you to do is come here and click on share your personal details. And once you click on this, you'll be redirected to your payment profile, okay, your paypal.me profile. And to actually get your PayPal link, they have it hidden here. What you need to do is actually click on this arrow right here, okay? And once you click on this arrow, they'll redirect you to your paypal.me profile page. And then all you need to do here, you need to click on this copy link, okay? And then you can go ahead and send your PayPal link to anyone you want. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.